Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2023 CFMOTO 300 SS. This bike has approximately 6,000 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great commuter, gets probably 60, 70 miles to the gallon, a great starter bike, just an all-around awesome super sport to either cut your teeth on or ride for many, many miles and many, many hours. This bike has a cool fender eliminator kit and also some nice tank pads on it. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change safety check on it and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.